comes Ginebra running. Issue to the side. Koo can't elevate.
Nice
Oh,
pass.
great pass again. But Troy hesitates. Gray.
Pero pangalawang personal foul na ni Troy Rosario.
Ang kanyang pinasok nung nakaraang laro against Converge.
Ito na si Chong Kui. Just came into the game, picked up his dribble, bounces to Perry, who sent it home. At kapapasok na ni Chong Kui, may impact na agad.
Correct.
That's what he did on that play. But watch this first. Ito yung salapak na sinabi mo. Pass from Chong Kui, Perry. That's the play of the half brought to us by Sports Plus. Watch it again. As we
Rivera says, let me try. Hit one earlier. And Brian De Los Santos picks it up. Phoenix side, but it won't be so. Some changes, Ginebra.
Saka lang, sinasabi natin, it's really about making defensive tough dahil, mga heavy lifting ang ginagawa ng mga several players, 3-4 players sa Macau.
Oh!
How
Pumasok
did he
pa!
do that?
Ba't hindi? On target ang tira ni Ray. Chow, parang gagawin ko. Yung boom, may bangga naman talaga eh. I mean, there was contact. You can't really complain.
Game's gonna
You're on
work.
the move. Oh.
It's gonna work wonders para sa kanyang kumpiyansa dito sa conference na to.
Tapos tiningnan yung likod. Oh, look at him
That's the
fly.
way I've been seeing him. Like a jumping
Oh,
jump.
what a pass, Dr. J!
Ang ganda ng
What a
take.
pass!
Balonggay, marami na rin nagagawa dito. 7 Now you get a scorer coming in. You have Gray.
As you see that play of the half brought to you by Sports Plus.
At maganda sa kanya, parang in the old days you remember, pag nakuha mo yung rebound and you're able to push it up